All right, so Huff been waiting about a good 15 to 10 minutes for his crispy chicken sandwich, man. We done seen about 5 orders that went up before him.
You want some free cookies?
Hey, he can't get no free cookies for that?
Why are you videotaping?
Because this is... Oh, you got warrants, my bad. That's a damn shame. Man, let me show you what a chicken look like. Yeah, look at that chicken right there. Oh yeah. I hope, man. After like, damn near 20 minutes later, man, you got your food, man.
That's how you know I ain't supposed to be eating this shit.
There it is. All right, give him a grade, man.
F. That nigga wait about 89 minutes goddamn for a chicken sandwich. I could have been cooking me a meal at the crib. Thawed out in the meat. You know what I'm saying?
We'll call and check in, goddamn. What are we doing, brother?
We hitting up the car show, Tampa Bay. Another event for y'all boys. Give it a great TV.
Tight.
Got my cousin, got my dog JB here. Principal natives right here. Roy Jones.
They ain't got no warrants, do you?
No.
All right, I can put you on camera, right?
I cleared them up last week.
Kill all witnesses. Yeah, kill them all.
Official book right here. You know what I'm saying? Motor Trend 2013 model.
I'm gonna give me 2013 Huffy, nigga. Hold up.
Tight. Still holding my nuts. Motherfucking OG shit. Still holding my nuts. Appreciate it.
Thank you,
I don't know
brother.
what this is, y'all, but we take all free things
That's
right
real.
here.
Hi, my name is Starlene, and I'm here at the auto show in downtown Tampa. Just wanted to say, come on down and see us and look at all of our great cars that we have here. And I also wanted to say, shout out, give it a great TV.
All right, mama. That's what I'm talking about. Ooh, you're so sweet. Hold on, huffing, what is the Porsche? Huffing the Porsche, man. How's it feel, brother?
With grain.
With grain.
Look at the buttons, nigga.
Hold on,
Gotta get the buttons.
buttons in that bitch. Hold on,
The
cuz.
buttons in this bitch, nigga.
God
I don't want to touch nothing.
damn. You wreckage you buy.
The horn don't work. 150.
The car ain't on, bitch. You so stupid.
153.
Hold on, I'm finna get back seat. Hold on. Let me get back seat. Hold up, cuz. Hey, where Jay at? You ain't Jay. What's up, man?
What's up?
I thought it was Jay. It ain't Jay. It is banging, like Michael Jackson said. You is so dumb. I got that shit on camera, nigga. You stupid.
Peanut butter guts in that bitch.
Well, yeah, you go for 2 of us and like 400.
In the trunk. Can you fit, brother? Let's go. Huff in the trunk. You stupid. That shit, man. Hold up, cuz.
It's just like a Honda Coupe.
Hey, look. That sunroof off, Nick. What is this right here?
Acura TL. Nah, that dang it, dude.
Hit the button, I tell you. Hit the red button, tell you. I dare you.
Hell no.
Hell no. Shit, take off somewhere.
And it doesn't stand a chance against the It's so sad.
What is it right here? What is it right here?
2012. Wait, LFA? That be called?
Kind of like a concept car.
Say LFA on that bill. Yeah, LFA.
Look at the little people.
So out of place.
I'm so scared.
That interior looks like baby dude.
He's nasty. Goddamn mud slide in here. Look like mud butt in here, bro.
Too many fingerprints.
Good for the wood grain. You have to carry a little rag with you.
Yeah, you gotta carry a rag. You know.
Yeah.
With a driving glove.
All day, right? We had the driving gloves, yeah. The beginning. That's real. Spanish.
That more gold they don't do nothing for me no more though.
It's that new Impala, y'all. Hold up. That be look clean as hell.
Look at the front of that bitch, dog.
I'm finna
Wait
get
till
it.
the grill come around that bitch, dog.
Hope the bit don't cut off.
That be clean.
Wow.
That be clean, dog. It is clean.
Wow. Ooh. Look, that blew a kiss at that nigga. Hold up.
That bitch is clean, dog. This my next whip right here. This the next one.
What's the next one?
This the next whip. James Bond, man.
Is that Aston Martin?
Yep.
Clean as shit. Aston Martin, goddamn.
It's outside?
Yeah.
Oh, what you gotta do?
Just go over there and register. That's my report to email address.
Long?
Huh? No.
Get him, Jeff. And what? What? Oh.
Hey, the beat sound way better. I mean, the coupe.
Sound cleaner, man.
I guess if you're gonna get a sedan, why not? But I couldn't believe he said that they're the same length. They only it's a 2-inch difference in length.
Yeah, that's what they said.
Floats, flies.
Range Rover, man.
They are handmade in England. This is from England. Sold to Dwight Howard and to Chad.
That's nasty, man.
The other guy that plays in Miami every day is LeBron. Told him to drop that last week.
That'd be a line. Maybe his name.
Sometimes we get the picture. Sold one to Flies. Rick Ross sold one. Frenchie Montana.
Based on one of the flies, Frenchie Montana. Oh, it's looking cool. That's why when you called me earlier, I hung up on you because the entry up on the back coming back. Who's doing it?
I seen one of them at International Mall, Cheesecake Factory, man. He pulled up. I mean, what is that? Because I've never seen that model before. That was like last year.
That's what's it called?
McLaren.
Yeah. I've been wanting to see what you call it first. Acura. Name. I'm talking about the